Can I interest you in an old growth forest mossy wonderland? Loving this tree right here. Look at this. Let's go across this rustic bridge. We're here in Willamette National Forest here in Central Oregon, and this is right up against National Wild and Scenic McKenzie River, one of the most beautiful rivers in the state of Oregon. And we are going to go take a look. In fact, there's a national recreation trail that parallels beautiful McKenzie River. And let's go take a look at the shoreline. This is a beautiful little swath of Willamette National Forest. We have a little signage section up here we will come and check out. I'm always a sucker for a good informational placard, so let's go take a look. It says backbone of a stream, and pause it right there if you want to read that. Some good info. Riparian areas and water for life. There's a few things for you, and let's go take a look at this one. It says ripple effect. Some more great information for you. Pause that if you want to read that. From sea to mountain streams and favored fish foods. So I've taken this little side trail. It's a short one. It does give you this incredible little rocky outlook. I love it when they build up this infrastructure to give you viewpoints. So we can walk up here to the edge and overlook the absolutely incredible, raging and roaring, National Wild and Scenic McKenzie River. Oh, this is beautiful, my friend. I love this little bird here on this rock. It doesn't look like an angry bird. I'm sure he's thinking, this rocks. Oh, this is beautiful. And you've got some raging, roaring whitecaps off in the distance down there. And we got National Wild and Scenic River going through our old growth mossy Willamette National Forest. Oh, this is beautiful, my friend. Something very special about this zone. Particularly a fan of the color. It's one of those sophisticated blend colors, not quite blue, not quite green, somewhere in the middle, Venn diagram style. But it has a earth tone quality that I personally appreciate. Adds to the rustic feel of this zone. And here's our infrastructure. We've got some placards over there, placards over there. This built out infrastructure with moss. And something about the juxtaposition is this bright pop green moss with the blue-green of McKenzie River. I am a fan of this area, my friend. Absolutely beautiful. Let's take a look at that bird. It's kind of cool, just hanging out. Cuckoo! Cuckoo, cuckoo! Just living the life, you know. I wonder if that bird thinks this rocks.